In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Bandlab app on Android. Before we begin, here's what you're getting. Bandlab is a free music-making app that lets you record vocals, create beats, edit tracks, and collaborate with other creators. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the app installed and ready to open so you can jump straight into creating. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the official marketplace for Android apps and the safest place to download Bandlab. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar. Give it a tap to bring up your keyboard. Now, type Bandlab Music Making Studio. Take your time with the spelling because accurate results help you find the correct app quickly. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below. Go ahead and select the one that matches exactly. On the results page, find the official Bandlab app. You'll know it's the right one when it lists Bandlab Technologies as the developer. Checking the developer name is a simple way to avoid lookalike apps. You can also glance at the ratings and screenshots for extra confidence that you're on the real listing. When you're on the app's page, tap Install. The button will change to show the download progress. Depending on your internet connection and available storage, this might take a moment. Using Wi-Fi is usually faster and helps you save mobile data. If your device asks for confirmation or shows a progress bar, just let it run until it completes. Once the download and installation finish, the install button will turn into an open button. Go ahead and tap open to launch Bandlab right away. If you prefer, you can also find the new app icon on your home screen or in your app drawer later. That's it. Bandlab is now installed on your Android device and ready to go. If you didn't see the app at first, double-check the spelling in the search bar or confirm you're signed in to the Play Store with a standard account. Availability can vary by region and device, so make sure your Android system and Play Store are up to date for the smoothest experience. With Bandlab open, you're set to explore its studio tools, record vocals, lay down beats, edit tracks, and collaborate with other creators, all for free. Enjoy making music, and if you found this helpful, keep this guide handy the next time you install a new creative app.